Hi, everybody. I'm super excited for you to be here. Welcome to our Post Summer Detox Group. This is our clean week so that we can get back on track post summer. I'm going to show you exactly how you can find everything that you need right now. So I'm going to screen share with you. For those of you who haven't met me yet, my name is Shannon, and I'm really excited to get to know you through this week, you guys. So as you can see here, see if I can just make myself a little bit smaller in the corner. So what we're going to do here is you're going to go onto your computer and you're going to go to teambeachbody.com. That's all you need to do, teambeachbody.com. So the reason that you had to get signed up was so that you at least have an account so that you can have clean week ready for you to go forward with our detox group. So you're going to want to sign in. My computer will already show me is signed in, but you're going to want to go to your sign in and make sure that you're logged in with your name and your password, and then click sign in. Okay, now we're going to be going to Beachbody On Demand, and this is like the Netflix, you guys, of fitness. It's incredible. There are actually over 600 different programs in here that you have access to. If you have already a Beachbody On Demand account with us, then you will actually have access to all of the workouts, including our brand new program that you may have seen me doing, which is Lift 4, which is a totally amazing program, which is a HIIT and lift program combined. So it's like you do HIIT works and then you do a lot of lifting, and I've got amazing results of that program. So I'm just loving it. I think our internet is really weak, of course, when I decide to show you guys something on on the computer. Okay, so you're going to go to workouts, actually. And then it's going to show you here a list of all the different workout programs that are available. This is Lift 4. Since it's a new program, there's a couple of these that are brand new programs. You might not have access to them. But what you're actually looking for right now is to go into Clean Week and join us for Clean Week. So I'm going to have everything in our Facebook group. But when you go here, you're going to see that you'll have like the workout list. And so we have a complete list of workouts, which will essentially give you the opportunity to try many of the different programs combined all into here, into this program. So you get to try core function. All these are 30 minutes, which is awesome because I love to be able to just get my workouts done in 30 minutes. So these are where you're going to be able to access your weekly workouts here. And then for program materials, you can see that there's like a Clean Week Quick Start Guide, and then you can bounce down here, which I'll post again into our group, but here you'll see like Clean Week Meal Planner, which is really great, and you just have access to so many amazing things here. So that is what you're going to be following for Clean Week. Again, it will be posted in our Facebook group so that you have really easy access to everything. To be able to see all of that kind of stuff. You can also see which other categories that you guys can get into on your 7-week trial. Again, if you are actually a Beachbody On Demand member or you're doing a challenge group with us, you'll have access to everything that I have access to, which is just seems endless sometimes. You get these amazing when you go into our nutrition category. You can get so many things here. I have full access, of course, to 2B Mindset, which you can actually take as a full course, which I just absolutely love. So really exciting. You also have access to the Fixate Cooking Show, which is fantastic by Autumn Calabrese. And she makes a ton of videos in which you can just watch on videos, and all the videos are really short clips and just really awesome to be able to access because some of them are just like 5 to 7 minutes. And you can learn how to make something really easy for your food prep in just that short amount of time. So you get all kinds of like recipes and food tips and all kinds of stuff. So I'm excited for you to see all the things that you're going to get during this week. So I'm going to show you where our group is so you can access this as well. So you're going to go to Facebook, and then the group that you'll have access to is called Empower Lifestyle. So you should be able to type it in here. There it is, Empower Your Lifestyle. So that is the group where you're going to be able to find everything that you need for our Time to Come Clean post-summer detox group. So you'll be able to have access right here. You can see that I've already posted in here you will be able to, you'll need to make sure you have your Beachbody On Demand link and everything set up to be able to be obviously in the group. So here you'll find some really great things in the files section here. You can find some really fun things that we've utilized before in the files section. And then in photos, I'll be adding some new things into our album section here, so you can kind of find some of the things we've done. This is for those of you who are joining us in the 3-day refresh. So you'll be able to do this just after or just before, depending on when you want to get when you get your package. This here, for those of you who haven't already ordered your 3-day refresh, is amazing to do. You just feel so rejuvenated and so energized and refreshed after you do it. I really highly recommend it. Here are some of the links right here where you can order the 3-day refresh if you haven't already done that. And then you can see kind of like these amazing little meal planners that I've put out for the 3-day refresh. I usually lose between like 3 and 7 pounds when I do the 3-day refresh. It's like a complete game changer. And it really just helps you to like reset your body and just like get back on track. So, you know, it really just depends, I think, too, like how your summer's been going, like what you've been eating, what's been going on. So, and, you know, the amount of weight and how good you feel is really going to depend on how seriously you take doing the 3-day refresh. So I love doing it. I feel amazing after doing it. So there you go. There it is, and access to it. If you want to do that and join us in doing that, there's a ton of us doing the 3-day refresh. So you'll see some really great food prep things I have in here. You can just click in there. Breakfast of Champions, some other fun things that we do here. So feel free to just go through and scroll and see some of the other things that we have laid out in the way of feeling prepared for your 7 days of clean eating and moving forward and doing your post summer detox with us. So I'm really excited. For those of you who are doing the 3-day refresh, I'm going to do mine at the end because that's when my 3-day refresh is going to come. So I'm really excited to move forward with the 7 days of doing our clean eating. And then at the end, I'm going to do my 3-day refresh. And I think it's going to be a pleasant little surprise for me at the end. So I'm pretty excited about that, you guys. So please do let me know if you have any questions. And that is how you get started for now. So I will talk to you guys later. Take care. Post below if you have any questions. Bye, guys.